He's excellent in that midfield area. He'll probably play slightly deeper and make forward runs. And watch out for Miles Leeburn up front. He can lead the line, he can run in behind, and he can chip.
Maguire. For the fourth time we've seen that lengthy diagonal, this time picking out Malacia. Garnacho. Fred. Anthony. Lovely effort. Well, we're told he is a special player. That is a special moment. Consistency eludes him, but the ability to get spectators out of their seats is his stock in trade.
Well, it was a nice little run from Dallo. Dallo makes the run through the centre forward position, which just leaves a bit of space for Anthony at this far area. Watch the run of Dallo, that just opens up so the ball can be played to Anthony. A couple of touches, he knows exactly what he's looking to do. And I don't think the goalkeeper, Bernard Brewer, had any chance here. Bent with pace, accuracy, really good finish with his left foot. And that's what you expect to see from a player who costs that amount of money. Wonderful player for many years now, Casemiro, the club and country.
Scott Fraser. Casemiro. Pelistri. It's Rashford who scores for the 6th game in a row. Manchester United win 8 on the bounce. The Renaissance gathers pace, and they're through to the Carabao Cup semi-finals for the 3rd time in the last 4 seasons.
Before it gets to Rashford, 2 players do really well. The first one, Casemiro, who we were just talking about. Here it is. Drilled that pass out to Pelistri. McTominay makes a good run. It's 3 versus 2, but he picks the right pass. Wasn't a great first touch from Rashford, nor was the second, but the third. He just keeps his composure and lifts it over the goalkeeper. Good finish in the end. Well played, Pelistri. Made the right choice. Rashford did the rest.
Casemiro, Rashford. He is in prime form. And Manchester United, having been held to a solitary goal for the majority of the night, are cruising through to the semis in style.
It looked tight to being offside, but it's a lovely ball played by Casemiro outside of his right boot. Lovely little pass. It's a tight one, I think he is onside. This touch is a good one. And then with his left foot just wraps it round the ball, round the goalkeeper, into the back of the net. That's the finish of a man full of confidence. He's had a brilliant season so far, Marcus Rashford.
No ongoing debate, there is no VAR tonight, only from the semi-finals onwards. Rashford has 2, Manchester United have 3, and the place in the last 4.
Tonight we are the VAR. We both think that's a goal. No offside.
And that was the concluding act of what in the end will go down in the record books as